Hi guys, today we are doing an unboxing of this parcel. We have bought from some banknotes from our regular dealer. So let's quickly open up. You can see. Actually, I don't remember ordering this 5 rupee coin. Maybe he must have sent us a gift for regular purchase. Let's quickly see that also. Okay. First, let's see the coin. We have a outer cover also. So let's quickly open up. This is a Saudi Arabia 10 real note. The next we have is South Sudan 10 pounds in UNC condition. The next we have Russia 10 ruble. And the next we have Indonesia rupiah, 1000 rupiah. And this is Transnistria, one some denomination. And the next we have is Sudan, Central Bank of Sudan, Sudan 5 pounds, UNC condition. And the most awaited list here is Trinidad and Tobago. This is $1 of Trinidad and Tobago. You can see it's in UNC condition. And here we have some Brazilian notes. Brazil 1000, Brazil 1000 Crusados 500, 500 Crusados Brazil, new NC condition. Another 500 of Brazil, AU NC condition. Argentina 1000 pesos. And last but not least, Uzbekistan 200 som. Sooner, these all banknotes will be available for sale on our website. You can check out. We provide cash on delivery earlier, but now we are facing an issue with the delivery partner. So currently we don't support cash on delivery, but we will find another way. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.